Of all the Nissans ever sold, the all-time bestseller is the Sentra.
In fact, Nissan has sold so many that if you were to stack them all up, end to end, they would be tall enough to reach the International Space Station 173 times.
And into the space age is exactly where Nissan is taking us. This is the all-new 2020 Nissan Sentra, the space-age sedan. Available in S, SV, and SR trim levels, the new Sentra blasts off with stunning new aesthetics. Standing lower and wider than ever, it exhibits a sporty image with a sculpted, chiseled new look. Its 18-inch aluminum alloy wheels, daytime running LED headlights, and two-tone paint scheme contrast nicely into a sleek, state-of-the-art design, adding immense curb appeal.
Now that's a welcome surprise for a compact car, a class notorious for bland design. And sure, vanilla's all well and good, like the Toyota Corolla. But wouldn't you rather treat yourself to something with a bit more flavor? And speaking of something sweet, check out what's under the hood.
Remarkably, this upgraded new 2-liter engine improves both horsepower and fuel efficiency on the Sentra. Paired with the Xtronic CVT transmission, the Sentra now offers a smoother, better tuned, and electrifying driving experience. Climb inside the cockpit, and the redesign continues to impress. Modern, luxurious, and spacious, the Sentra is as stylish as it is straightforward. Finished with metallic accents, contrast orange stitching, and leather lining from the wheel all the way to the shifter, the Sentra is built for premium comfort.
At the heart of every space-age machine is technology. And here, the Sentra shines.
Set your speed and distance with intelligent cruise control, and the Sentra will adjust according to the flow of traffic, even stopping if needed. The new 8-inch Nissan Connect touchscreen is bigger and features Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. It floats neatly above the dashboard, atop a slew of buttons, knobs, and controls that are both ergonomic and satisfying to toy with.
Nissan's intelligent round view monitor system now makes navigating tight spaces easier than ever. Standard on every Sentra is Nissan's Safety Shield 360.
A suite of driver assistance features. These include automatic emergency braking with pedestrian detection, high beam assist, lane departure warning with a haptic steering wheel, helping ensure you change lanes only when you mean to, blind spot warning, rear cross traffic alert, and a class-exclusive rear emergency braking, which alerts you to large stationary objects and can even apply the brakes if necessary.
Most shocking is the price. With a starting MSRP of only $19,310, it's a full $500 less than the Toyota Corolla.
Nissan's bestseller is all new, with better tech, more power, more safety, and comfort than ever before.
And its immense value at a small price means one thing: the future is here, and Nissan proves it.